7 days of freelancing. These days, it's never been more feasible to make money online. After all, if recent events have shown us anything, the world of online business is more important than ever and is certainly here to stay. Now, if you are completely new to the world of making money online and feel nervous, I totally get where you come from. Hey, my name is Umair and I am your coach for these classes. Not too long ago, I was side hustling through university and working at different online works. Fast forward just a few years, and I have quit my office job and now make all of my money from freelancing, training, and YouTube. And freelancing is the number one source of my active income. Through the years, I have faced all the ups and downs of freelancing, and now I am able to share what works and what not. In this short class, I'll share the precise action plan from day 1 to day 7. This will start your freelancing career right away. And in these classes, I'm gonna exactly share strategies I would use if I had to start again. I think I wasted so much time of my freelancing career in beginning because nobody told me about this. If someone had told me these strategies in the beginning of my career, I would have made a lot of money. So I actually divided this into days as I think each step is achievable in a day, but if you need more time, it's totally okay. No need to go out under the rain, take your umbrella. Now let's start with the day 1.